New from Walkie, this is the M12 Fuel 18 gauge compact brad nailer. Whether you're pinning miters or nailing off trim, the compact size of this brad nailer makes it really easy to use and wield. Also with that precision tip, it means nail placement is a breeze. It'll fire 15 to 38mm 18 gauge brads with both single fire and bump fire modes. The magazine holds 110 brads. It's got a nice easy side reload as well. Despite the bulk of applications these days being softer wood, it doesn't lack the power for hardwoods either. From the Tassie Oak window frame that I'm trimming out here to even harder Aussie timbers as well. And you're not just using this gun to tack it off until your glue or adhesive dries. Being 18 gauge, you get that great balance between holding power and nail head size that keeps the painters happy. And speaking of keeping the painter happy, you've got a rubber bumper there to protect the finished surface. You've also got some additional bumpers there stowed on board for later down track. You got a nice simple dial there to adjust the finish height of those brads. You've also got toolless access should you need to clear a jam, nice and simple up on top. You also got a little threaded insert there, so that belt hook is reversible for both left and right-handed users. In terms of runtime, with a 2Ah M12 battery, you should get easily 700 brads off a single charge. It's available now at your local Sydney Tool store as a bare tool or in a combo kit with a 3Ah battery and charger and a handy hard case. You can pick it up in the Milwaukee aisle or head over to our website for the full specs, details, and hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.